Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful cake right here for a very special person. These are the items we'll be using for today's cake. Our tissue, the ribbon, the other part of the cake box, our vanilla and sugar water syrup. These are buttercream frosting. We'll use this for the spraying later on. Our butterflies, our birthday topper, these balls here, which are plastic balls, our cake board and turntable, offset spatula, the textured cake foam, and then our cake pieces, which I've made in this format. For more details on it, you can check one of the videos I made during December last year for my younger sister's birthday cake, and you get the full gist on how this was made. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Cake, which I just picked out of the freezer. I'm going to pipe around with this one colored frosting here. After crumb coating the cake like this, we are going to the offset spatula to smoothen it out. So we are going to use the textured cake foam to smooth it out. So after using the cake foam, I'm going to use it for the second time after making this straight designs with the offset spatula. This is the finished look, but it's not really finished. I'm going to do some wavy boho design. First off, I'm going to make a spiral design with this on the top part of it. So that is it. That's the wavy design like this. The finished design. Spraying machine here to spray gold on the bottom part of the cake. Let's see how it turns out. So we are almost done with spraying. Like this. Then we add this gold fan here. Like this. Next I'm going to add the balls to it. So the biggest, the next, and then finally the smallest. So we come to the opposite side, which is here. Biggest in first. Next, and then finally this one. So this is how it's looking like. Create so that they feed more decorations. These two butterflies, so one here and then the other. This is the final look. Video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Both pastries, cakes, drinks, anything you want to watch on the channel is available. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Don't forget that we post new videos on Thursdays and Sundays. And follow us on all our social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and also here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. Please don't just watch the video. Subscribe and let the channel grow. Meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.